we're going to introduce our first project packet. Our first project is a simple picture frame for a 5x7 photo. A project packet is defined as a drawing showing the joinery and any other piece of information that makes it easy for us to build stuff in the shop. All project packets begin with a drawing, and from that drawing, you're going to create a cut list. A cut list is defined as the exact dimensions of every piece of our project. We will always complete this before we head into the shop to actually build anything. So what you need to do now is pause this video and draw what you see here. On our drawings, we want to have as few unknowns as possible. So I need to give you some information. The material thickness is going to be 0.75 or 3/4 of an inch thick, and the width is going to be 1 5/8. We're going to create what's called a step rabbet. The image here shows you 3/4 of an inch thick material and 1 5/8 wide. Notice the step rabbet. That is going to hold the glass, the picture, some matting, and a backer board to hold it all together. The picture frame that you are going to make is going to overhang the picture by 0.25 or 1/4 of an inch on all sides. First, you're going to find the inside dimension of the frame or the opening the picture will be centered in. After that, you're going to add the width of the frame pieces, which is 1 5/8. That'll give you the total width and the total length of your picture frame. So you're going to write that dimension on the outside edge of the frame centered on your dimension lines. A couple things to remember. Dimension lines, they line up with the drawing, but they don't touch. They have a beginning and an end, and in our class, we usually use arrows. And the dimensions that we're going to use will always be in inches. Once you have that, then I want you to complete a cut list. A cut list is defined as the exact dimensions of every piece of the project. And it's always written first, the part name, the number of pieces, which will be in parentheses, then the thickness, a little baby x, the width, another baby x, and the length. So here's an example. We have sides, the part name. There's 2 of them, which is in parentheses. They're 3/4 of an inch thick, 15 1/4 wide, and they're 20 inches long. So let's review what I want you to do here. First, I want you to complete this drawing in its entirety. You should have the drawing, the dimension lines, and the size showing the height and the width of your picture frame. You're going to complete a cut list of your long and short sides, and your drawing should be completed using a ruler, and all text should be written neatly. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm always available to help. I think you got this. Good luck. Let's get this done so we can get back in the shop and get back to building.